Welcome to Tasks. Here you can assign various to-do lists for each one of your team members. Tasks can be assigned from both the Task Center as well as contacts and other parts of your system. Let's start from the top. Currently, you can see that all tasks are being viewed. Below the All Task Smart List, you can see who it is assigned to. You can check all status as all, completed, or pending, sort by due dates, and add additional advanced filters. And last but not least, you can select by certain fields. There are additional pre-selected smart lists, such as due today, overdue, and upcoming. Whenever you select any one of these lists, you can choose the assigned team member and see all tasks that are attached. In the upper right-hand corner, you can add and create a new task. You will start with the task title. You can choose to remove the description if you would like, and of course add text. You can choose the due date and time, choose whether or not it is a reoccurring task, and how many days, weeks, month, year, or hours that it repeats, choose whether or not it ends, and create a new task even if the previous task is overdue. Then you can choose who to assign it to, and if you'd like to, you can choose an associated object, such as contact, opportunities, or companies. If you choose a contact, you will then need to choose a particular contact from your list. Once you've chosen an associated contact, or multiple, you can choose Save and add another, Cancel, or Save that task. Once you have saved the task, all associated actions or notifications for the task assignee will then go out. For example, Bob Lake will then get a notification for the upcoming task based on his notification settings. On the left-hand side, you can choose to select tasks. This will then open up a Mark as Done, Mark as Pending, or Delete. This will be useful if you want to edit bulk tasks, such as selecting all tasks in a list, marking all as done, marking all as pending, or deleting all. Underneath status, the checkbox can choose whether or not this is marked as complete. You can also see the associated contacts, the description, the assignee or assignees, the due date, see whether or not it repeats, edit the task, and delete. Above this, you can click on Manage Fields, and you can see additional fields to add to the list. After application, all the associated managed fields will then show up. You can always search for your task based on the title. Once you're happy with everything, you can always mark as complete. Additional areas where tasks are visible may be underneath Smart List, underneath the contact record. On the right-hand side, you can go and click on Tasks. When you click on Task, you can then add an associated task to that individual contact. Follow the repeat steps as seen before.